Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a HDD replacement on a mid-2010 white unibody MacBook. So of course, there are many videos out on YouTube, actually hundreds and thousands of them, showing you guys on how to replace a HDD on a 2010 MacBook. I recently watched many of these videos and a few of these videos missed a crucial step in replacing HDD. Of course, I'm not saying all the videos missed out on it, some, very few in quantity, but still I wanted to do my part in clearing that mistake. So I just wanted to share this video with you guys showing how to replace HDD on a 2010 white unibody MacBook. Like many of you who has been watching my channel, you guys would know that I always go with the easiest way to repair things. I don't complicate things. So like that, another video in it. So without further ado, let's get started into the video. So firstly, let's flip this MacBook over. Now with this flipped over, what we have to do is we got to remove all the 8 screws which are holding the back cover on. So let's remove that now. So now with all the screws for the back cover taken out, you can now remove this back lid off. Sometimes it will be hard to open it, so you just got to use a prying tool, or you just have to just slide in something just to release it. This isn't necessary for everything, but for a few it is. With a bit of force, the back lid is off. So now let's put it aside. And now today the main focus is the HDD. The first step to remove the HDD is we're going to remove all these metal screws holding HDD in place. See here, all these 6 screws. So let's remove that first. So now we've removed all the 6 screws covering the HDD. Here's the important part. Here's where a lot of tutorials make the mistake. Many of them say use a prying tool and put it inside and just pry out the HDD. Well, that is where you go wrong. If you pry it out here, you risk breaking the RAM. Both are very near and there's just a plastic holding it. And so when you pry it out, you can just snap the RAM and many things can go wrong. So that's where a lot of people make the mistake. What you have to do in order to take out the HDD safely is you got to remove these one and these 2 screws. So just see carefully, this screw and this screw. So let's remove that. So these are really long screws, so they've gone into the motherboard too, so you have to be careful and remove them because it's a really long screw, as you guys can see here. A really long one, so you gotta unscrew it and unscrew it again. So just put this aside. Oh, and the main part, do not mix up the screws here because each one is different. This is for the HDD, this is for the back panel, and this is the RAM stick now. So now onto the other one. So now with that screw removed, you can just take out this stick, the plastic that is separating the RAM and the HDD. With that out, we have one more screw to open. I think you guys can see it on camera. There's one more screw inside here. This rod is here. So after we have taken it out, we have one more screw inside of it here. So you got to remove that too. Small screw here. So put it aside for now. And now with this screw removed, we can use our spudger and we got to disconnect this flex cable here. So you guys can see there's 2 box kind of cables here, the flex cable beside it. So just unclip it, just unclip it. Yep. With that unclipped, it's out, and we can just slowly take out the HDD. There you guys see, simple as that. The HDD is now out. With that done, just give this place a wipe with alcohol and just clear it off any dust. And now take a new HDD. For me, I'm still using my old HDD because this is only for demonstration purposes. So take a new HDD, turn it around. Mine, of course, since this is my old HDD, it has this back panel out. But any hard drive will have this back panel on both sides. So as you guys can see here, there's 4 holes here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is where the back panel, this same panel is on this side. So it's just a cover. What you have to do is just follow my steps, just like what I did last time. As you guys can see here, the screws will be here. So just unscrew it, unscrew, just unscrew all this, take out the back panel here, and just pry it out here. See, as you guys can see here, so it's coming out. Yep, that's it. So just pry out this top part here, and then you can just put it back in. And when you're putting it back in, remember to fold this flex ribbon cable in. Oh yeah, and when you put it in, remember there are 4 stoppers. 1, 2, 3 and 4, depending on the HDD you buy. So some might and might not have this stopper, but mostly they will have. Just remember to put this flex cable in, and these stoppers must go inside this place here. So there are 2 holders for this stopper, 2 black holders. So just remember they have to go in. And you place them in position. Just position a ribbon cable and snap it back in place. So this is where it came from, so just snap it back in place. And now take your smaller screw that you took from here and just put it back in. So now with that secured in place, we can now screw this separating stick. I call it separating stick. So always remember to place it in position, because the last time when I did it, I put it the other way around and it didn't fit. So just remember to put it in position and it will just snap into place. So all you have to do is just take your screws and just screw it in. Just put it here and you can just slowly start going in. Of course you can apply some pressure since it's hollow inside, and it will just go in easily. See? Like I see, just click, just goes in. Now with one screw secured in place, we are on to the another. Same way, just slot it in, just keep going. So this screw will take a longer time to go in, because I don't really know why, but this goes in easily, but this doesn't. Just a point to take note of. So now it's time to change the bed. These screws are the same screws as the back panel, and this is different, so you gotta change your bed. With that, let's screw these screws in place. Now with the HDD all secured in place, all 6 screws, it's time to put the back lid on. So let's screw that in place. Make sure it gets the click everywhere, and then you can just secure it in place. And now with the back panel screwed onto place, just make sure all the screws are secure in place, and you're done. So yeah guys, that's how you replace your HDD on your 2010 or just your white unibody MacBook basically. Like I said, remember to take off the back panel of your HDD, the back metal casing, before fixing it into your MacBook. Yep, just remember that. And yeah, I just showed you guys the hardware steps on how you replace your HDD. After you're done with replacing your HDD, format it to the Apple format, and you gotta install your macOS. Without that, it's just an empty hard drive on a MacBook. So yeah guys, that's been it. Just a normal repair video, and of course the difficulty rating for this repair is just 3 out of 10. But just remember that do not pry your hard disk out. Take out the brackets and you do it. So yeah, that's it for this repair. I hope it has helped a lot of you guys. Of course I didn't show the software downloading parts because I couldn't, so yeah, really sorry about that. And yeah guys, with that, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, do remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.